Welcome to this detailed walkthrough on disabling the AI Assistant block in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to access your WordPress dashboard, navigate through the site editor, and ultimately disable the AI Assistant block to suit your needs. The process is straightforward and is designed to take just about 5 minutes from start to finish. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once you have the site loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage where you will find the login option. Click on this login button to access your account. This is the first key step in initiating any changes, as being properly logged in ensures full access to the site and its various editing tools. After clicking login, you will be presented with several login options. You should select the option to continue with Google. This method simplifies the process, and if you are already signed into your Google account, it makes the transition smooth and secure. As you choose your account, ensure it is the one associated with your WordPress site. This verification is essential because account mismatches may complicate the editing process later on. Upon successfully signing in with Google, you will be taken to the main dashboard or homepage where you can see several quick links. Within this quick links section, look for the link labeled Edit Site. Clicking this link will transport you to the site editor, which is a hub for managing all the elements on your WordPress website. The site editor presents a streamlined interface that allows you to make global changes and manage content with ease. Once inside the site editor, direct your focus to the top right corner where you will see a set of 3 dots. These dots represent additional options for customizing your site. Clicking them will reveal various controls and settings that are hidden from the main interface, providing advanced functionality without cluttering the workspace. Within the expanded menu, identify and click on Preferences. This section contains a series of customization options for your editing experience, including several toggles for different features. In the Preferences pane, move on to finding the Blocks option. Clicking on blocks will bring up a list of available blocks on your site, and here you will be able to manage the features and functionalities that are part of your page builder experience. After navigating to the block section, look for the control related to the AI Assistant. In this part of the interface, you will see an option to turn off the AI Assistant block. Selecting this option will disable the AI Assistant from appearing on your site. Disabling the AI Assistant can help streamline your editing experience, especially if you do not rely on it for your website management. Throughout this process, if you encounter any images or visual cues, allow them to guide you along each interface. The clear placement of navigational elements and settings in the editor is intended to make each step logical and anticipated. By following each stage in this sequence, you are ensuring that you disable the AI Assistant block correctly while maintaining full control of your site's layout and functionality. This concludes the tutorial on disabling the AI Assistant block in WordPress. Following these carefully described steps will lead to a smooth adjustment of your site settings and allow you to customize your WordPress experience according to your preferences. Enjoy the continued smooth navigation on your WordPress site.